everybody, Cynthia here. I am back to share a Pinterest inspired project with you guys, but before I do, I just want to say that keeping everyone in my thoughts and prayers. I'm hoping everybody out there is staying safe and healthy during this coronavirus time, and my husband and I were informed, like next week we were going to have off for spring break. Anyway, we both work for the school district, and we were informed we didn't have work this week because they closed our schools down, and we live in southern Florida. And now we were just informed that our pool's closing in our complex, and so you can't go swimming. And we just watched the news that a lot of the local businesses are now, being forced to close. The movie theaters, the restaurants can stay open for takeout and stuff, but that's about it. And my heart is really going out to the families that, work paycheck to paycheck. I know my husband and I do. Thank goodness we're still getting paid, but there's a lot of people that live off of tips for their income, or and I don't know what's going to happen with them, and I'm terrified for them. I'm sure they're terrified, and I'm just trying to keep everybody in my prayers and hope that the outcome is going to be, better than we all fear. And I know the government's working on getting money to these people. I don't know how they're going to do that, but, it's just a crazy time. So I do hope that everybody is staying healthy and safe and staying home, taking care of yourself. It's really, some people are like, oh, I'm going to go crazy staying home. I love to stay home, to be honest. I love my art room. I love reading, and my hubby and I enjoy all of that, doing puzzles. We can keep ourselves pretty entertained on that end. We don't have children. That's a whole nother ball game when you have children to, try to keep them occupied. So, yeah, my heart really goes out to a lot of people. And like I said, I hope everybody's staying safe and healthy, mentally and physically. Mentally, this is very scary for a lot of people. And, I know it's been stressing me out just watching the news. And I thought, you know what? I need to get in my craft room and get busy and occupy my mind so that I'm not worrying constantly about this and, the families out there. So without further ado, my friend Misha and I at ScrapsandThings1. Hi, Misha. I'm going to post a link below this video to her channel. You can head on over, check her out, show her some YouTube love. This week we were actually, this was due March 1st. I apologize. I was late. We were to alter up some wine glasses with a beach theme. And I thought that sounded fun. These were Pinterest inspired projects that we do every few weeks. And the ones that inspired me, I'm going to pull up really quick on my phone here. Hopefully really quick. Here we go. Were these. They're absolutely gorgeous. These are more champagne glass, but I love the way they wrapped the stems with this twine here, which is something I did similar. And there was a bunch of other ones that I saw. These were beautiful. How they did the shells and things, up the, I don't know if I have other ones in here. Yeah, those. They did the seashells and stuff up the glass. Just so beautiful and amazing. So those are the ones that inspired me. And I did use this twine. And I wrapped it around the stem of my glass, or the bottom of my glass. That took a long time to do. I did it all with hot glue. Went all the way up the stem to, right about in here. And then I went over it with some liquid glue, put liquid glue on my finger and just kind of pressed it in all over the twine so it would stay well. Because hot glue on glass doesn't really stick as well as we would like. And then I put a bunch of pearls, little tiny seashells I got from the Dollar Tree, and also seashells that I got from the beach. I had these beads that were on this like fish line. And I bought those at a gift shop where they sell a lot of seashells and stuff. So I just cut it up and glued some pieces in there. And then I did some fish netting that I purchased at Michael's a long time ago. So I did some of that all the way around. And then on the top here, I did a little cluster of shells and pearls and the fish netting. So this is one of them. And this was the other. I'm going to have to be careful washing them. You know, if I use them right now, they're just sitting on my dining room table next to another like tray of seashells and stuff, which I thought was just really cute because we have a beach theme in our house, especially in our dining room. Which maybe I'll do a video and show you guys that once. But this is how they turned out. I had a whole lot of fun making these. It took a while, like I said, wrapping all this twine around the stems. But I think they turned out really cute, and I would definitely try this again. And I might try them with different themes, not just, you know, for a beach theme. I just thought that was kind of fun to do the beach one. Yeah, they were fun. So if I do other themes, I will definitely come back and share those with you. And I thought I'd just give you a quick sneak peek of an album I'm working on. And I'm using a spring collection. Okay, quick sneak peek there. I will be back to share that with you guys when it's finished. It's a 5x7 mini album I've been working on. And when I complete it, I'm hoping to do a tutorial for you guys to show you how I put it together and how I put a lot of my mini albums together. I've really been getting back into making those and having a lot of fun with that. So I'll be back to share that with you guys once it's completed. And thank you so much for watching. The next project I'm hoping to get done, that's actually was due, I think, this past Sunday. So I'm a couple days late with that as well, but I will be back to share that with you when that's completed as well. So anyway, if you guys have any questions, let me know. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Stay happy, healthy, and safe out there. Thanks for watching.